Good afternoon, everyone. Is my voice is audible? Is my voice is audible, everyone? Okay, my everyone. Good afternoon again. What was the last topic that we have discussed now? The last topic, I think, we discussed about the Selen Vilapa. Is of water, is of three. Okay, Clara. Is of three. One is a glycocalyx. Second one is a cell wall. And what is the last one? The last one is a plasma membrane or a cell membrane. Very good, Danish. So we completed the cell envelope topic clearly. I hope you people are clear regarding the cell envelope topic, and number of questions can be asked on this topic again. Neat law. Number of questions can be asked from the cell envelope topic. One of the basic question is that which can be asked in your NEET exam. Does a cell envelope is present in eukaryotic organisms or not? Eukaryotic organisms low cell envelope is present or not means the answer is very simple, no. Cell envelope is present only in the prokaryotic organisms only, especially in the bacteria only. Cell envelope ఏదైతే ఉందో is mostly present in the prokaryotes, that too in the bacteria, especially in the bacteria. In eukaryotic organisms, either you will contain cell wall and the plasma membrane, but this third one is not present in the eukaryotic, and in the eukaryotic, especially in the animal cells. As you already know, even cell wall is also absent. Even cell wall is absent in animal cells, and only what is present, plasma membrane is present now. Plasma membrane is present in animal cells. So this all these things you already know. So that was the last topic that we have discussed, and right on the next heading. Right on the next heading. Right on the next heading. We'll see the outer things first. We will see the outer things first. Right on the next heading. Pili. So just go and see your diagram. Everyone, just go and see your diagram. Just go and see your diagram. Diagram లో చిన్న small mistake అయింది. What was happened in the diagram? Small mistake is that in the diagram what we did means the smaller ones. Whatever the smaller ones are there, they are called as fimbriae. The smaller ones are called as fimbriae. The larger Rakesh, very good. The larger one is called as a pili. But in the diagram, what I did mean, what was the mistake I did means, the smaller ones came up pile and bedna, the larger ones came up. Larger ones I kept it as a fimbriae. Just change the thing. Diagram section ఎక్కడైతే ఉందో ఆ diagram సెక్షన్కి వెళ్ళి కొంచెం అది క్లీన్ చేసుకోండి. జస్ట్ ట్రై టు క్లీన్ దట్ థింగ్. సో కమింగ్ టు ద పైలీ, వాట్ ఈస్ ద పైలీ? జస్ట్ రైట్ ఆన్ ద డెఫినేషన్. పైలీకి డెఫినేషన్ రాసుకోండి. జస్ట్ రైట్ ఆన్ ద డెఫినేషన్ ఫర్ ద పైలీ. Pili are, pili are, pili are longer, longer. Pili are longer, longer, fewer, thicker, tubular outgrowths. Longer, fewer, thicker, tubular outgrowths. Very simple definition. As some people said, some of them are large stick-like structure. Okay, no problem. No? Large is not. You can say like that also. Large stick-like structures or etc. etc. Here you have to understand first of all certain terms here associated with the pili. They are longer in nature. Just now I clarified that in the previous diagram I did a mistake. Smaller ones are called as the fimbriae. The larger ones are called as the pili. Diagram ఒకటి correction చేసుకోండి. And second thing is that they are fewer in number. They are very fewer in number. How many fewer in number means they might be present in 1 to 4 per cell only. How many of them can be present means how many of them can be present means for every cell they range surrounds around 1 to 4 per cell. వాట్ ఎవర్ దీస్ పైలీ ఆర్ దేర్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ప్రతి ఒక్క సెల్కి ఎంత రేంజ్లో ఉంటుంది అంటే యావరేజ్గా 1 to 4 ఫర్ సెల్ దే విల్ ప్రజెంట్ అండ్ దే ఆర్ వెరీ థిక్కర్ ఇన్ నేచర్ అండ్ దే ఆర్ ట్యూబులర్ ఇన్ నేచర్. దే ఆర్ ట్యూబులర్ అంటే జస్ట్ లైక్ ఏ పైప్ తెలుసు అమ్మా, జస్ట్ లైక్ ఏ పైప్ లైక్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద హాలో స్పేస్ ప్రజెంట్ ఇన్సైడ్ బిట్వీన్ దెమ్. I hope you people know what is a pipe, what is a how the hollow space is present between them, etc. etc. That term is associated is called as a tubular. Tube-like structures. They are the tube-like, longer, larger. Yeah, whatever the what it is. Fewer. How many of them can be present means 1 to 4 for cell. Pratyoka cell ki har ek cell pe 1 to 4 is the average number, and they are very thick in nature and tubular in nature. Means there is a hollow space present inside between them. Outgrowths is called as a pili. Very simple. Just try to remember this particular terms. And write on the next point. Write on the next point. This is highly important point. Whatever this point is, that this point is really important. The first point is this one. The second point, highly important one. I hope this thing I already stated in your last year cell topic లో ఎక్కడనో ఒక జాగాలో వచ్చే ఉంటుంది. What are they made up of? What protein they are made up of? Which protein of they are made up of? A protein toti. Not tubulin. Rakesh, wrong answer. Not tubulin. Not a tubulin. Tubulin toti kaadu. Very simple answer. They are made up of a protein called as pilin. Name lo undi. Just try to remember. They made up of a protein called as a pilin protein. They are made up of a protein called as a pilin protein. Very simple one. What are they made up of means pilin protein toti tayarai untai. They are made up of a protein called as a pilin protein. Right on the last point. Right on the last point. They are present only in the. They are present. They are present. They are present. They are present only in the. They are present only in the gram-negative bacteria. They are present only in the gram-negative bacteria. They are present only in the gram-negative bacteria. They are present only in the gram-negative bacteria and helps in conjugation process. Underline this conjugation process. They are present only in the gram-negative bacteria and helps in the conjugation process. and helps in the conjugation process. Very simple, ma. These 3 points try to remember. Many of the questions can be asked from these 3 points only. What is the pyle is made up of? Pyle is made up of the pylene protein, and what type of bacteria, sir? What type of bacteria they present means, they are present only in the gram negative bacteria, that you have to understand. A bacteria lo doktadi ante, this thing can be asked in your NEET exam also. Very simple question, whether the pylene or the pyle is present in the gram positive and gram negative. The answer should be very simple. It is present in the gram negative bacteria, and by being present in the gram negative bacteria, they help in a one of the greatest, one of the beautiful process, that is called as a conjugation process, which you are going to learn in your upcoming classes. You people may have doubts, sir, what is this conjugation process, etc., etc. ఏదైతే ఉందో, that will be learned in your upcoming classes. Upcoming classes lo you people are going to learn about the conjugation process. When the topic will come, conjugation topic, whenever it will come, then I will ask about this pily thing again. ఈ పైలీ థింగ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో, ఐ విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఆస్క్ అబౌట్ దిస్ థింగ్. యూ పీపుల్ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్ దిస్ థింగ్. కంజుగేషన్లో హూ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు ప్లే రోల్ మీన్స్, ద ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ ద పైలీ. వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మేడ్ అప్ ఆఫ్? ఇట్ ఈస్ మేడ్ అప్ ఆఫ్ ఎ పైలిన్ ప్రోటీన్, అండ్ దే ఆర్ ప్రెసెంట్ ఇన్ ద గ్రామ్ నెగిటివ్ బ్యాక్టీరియా ఓన్లీ. వెరీ సింపుల్. రైట్ ఆన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ హెడింగ్. Fimbriae. Write on the next heading, Fimbriae. Write on the definition. Write on the definition, everyone. Uh, write on the definition. Fimbriae are. Fimbriae are. Fimbriae are. Small bristle-like structures. Bristle-like structures. Small bristle-like structures. Small bristle-like structures sprouting on the surface of cell. Sprouting on the surface of cell. Fimbriae are small bristle-like structures. Small bristle-like structures. Small bristle-like structures sprouting on the surface of cell. Sprouting on the surface of the cell. Write on the next pointer. Write on the next pointer. There are 300 to 400. There are 300 to 400 Fimbriae present on the surface of present on the surface of bacterial cell. Present on the surface of bacterial cell. Present on the surface of the bacterial cell. Last pointer. $300 to $400, and the last point is they are helpful in attachment on surfaces. They are helpful in attachment of surfaces. They are helpful in attachment on surfaces. Very, very simple, man. Just okay, everyone stop writing now. I don't know how many of you people are writing or not. Just stop writing right now. Let us see what was this fimbriae actually. Fimbriae means they are crystal-like structures sprouting on the surface of the cell. You already know what is. Some of you may know or may not know what is meant by brittle. Brittle means easily to broke. Easily to broke. Brittle means easily to broke. Just like a glass type nature అనుకోండి, glass nature అనుకోండి. Brittle means a glass type of nature. And again you may ask me, sir, pili is made up of a pyline protein, then why the hell the fimbriae is not made up of any type of protein? Very simple. Fimbriae is a or non-organic structure amadi. I mean, it is made up of inorganic material, that too of the glass nature. It is not made up of any protein. It is made up of a glass type of nature. And brittle means it is a, what does it mean? Means it is easily to broke. So brittle-like structure sprouting on the surface of the cell, and how many of them are present? It ranges from 300 to the 400. When it compared to the pili is having around how many? 1 to 4 for cell only. Pyliemo 1 to 4. The range it ranges between 1 to 4 for cell. When it comes to the fimbriae, the range is from the 300 to the 400. When it comes to the function, what is this function actually? They are helpful in the attachment on the surfaces. Very simple. Now let me ask you a simple question. Is the pylis also having the same function? Pyli kuda surfaces మీద అటాచ్మెంట్ కావడానికి హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అవుతుందా కాదా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? Very good answer, Rakesh. Rakesh given me the correct answer. పైలి కూడా సర్ఫేసెస్ మీద అటాచ్ కావడానికి హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అవుతుందా? అవుతుంది అనుకుంటే, ఇఫ్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ ఫీలింగ్ ఇట్ అస్ ఎస్, దెన్ రైట్ డౌన్ ఎస్. No, sir, it doesn't help in attachment. It is having some sort of other important function. Means write down no. No అని కూడా రాయకుండా ఎన్న రాయని సరిపోతుంది. Very good, Prachi. Very good, Dharnesh. The answer is very simple, ma'am. That is no. Pili is not involved at all, not at all involved in the attachment on any substances, whereas fimbriae is involved in attachment on the. So, for the sake of convenience, what you people will do means just write down two brackets, ma'am. Kotha fresh page dishi, two brackets randi. One is Pylian randi, and the other one is fimbrian randi. For the sake of convenience, just write down these two. Quickly write down these two, ma'am. For the sake of convenience, quickly write down these two. For the sake of convenience, quickly write down these two headings. Sake of convenience, write down these two. One is pili, one column pili, and the other column fimbriae. One column pili, and the other column is a fimbriae. Write on the first pointer. Right on the first pointer, where they are present. Definitions are not needed here. You already know the definitions. Larger, etc., etc. Definitions just make you. Pili is present in what type of bacteria? Just quickly write down the answer. First point is where does the aquara? First point where does the aquara? So pili, where does it present? Gram negative bacteria, gram positive bacteria. Very good, Zubair. Very good, Zubair. Swati, very good. They are present in simple answer gram negative bacteria. Write down that point quickly, ma'am. Type chas awesome ledo. Write down that point quickly. They are present in gram negative bacteria only. They are present in gram negative bacteria only. They are present in gram negative bacteria only. When it comes to the fimbriae, what would be the answer? When it comes to the fimbriae, what would be the answer? Means they are present in gram positive and they are present in gram negative also. They are present in, very good Pujita, they are present in gram positive, they are present in gram negative also. Both the bacteria, both the type of bacteria will contain fimbriae on the surface of it. But when it comes to the pili is present only in the gram negative bacteria. Try to remember, always tries to remember, fimbriae is present on both the surface of the bacteria. Positive lo kuda untadi, negative lo kuda untadi. But when it comes to the pili, they are present only on the gram negative bacteria only. And second point is number. How many of them are present in the pili? That is a 1 to 4. It's very simple. And how many of the present in the fimbriae? We already discussed 300 to 400. Write down quickly. 1 to 4 per cell, 300 to 400 per cell. Shortcut రాయండి. Neatlo this type of questions can be asked. Among the following, which are very larger in number? How many larger in number? Questions can be asked like this. One is Question can be asked like this: nucleoid, B. pili, C. mesosomes, D. fimbriae. ఒక సెల్లో among the following which will be present in higher in number. In nuclei you already know the how many will be nucleides will be there, only one will be there. Pili you already know 1 to 4. Mesosomes you already know might ranges from 20 to 30%. But the fimbriae, whatever the fimbriae are there, they are ranging from the 300 to 400. This type of questions can be asked in NEETA from this respective topic, or else questions can be reversed again. Which of the following will be very low in number? What would be the answer? Low. तक्को ఏది ఉంది సెల్ లోపల సెల్ में सबसे कम कौन सा है बोले तो the answer will be shifted to from D to what? I am saying I'm a low. I said low. Which one would be the low? Dhanesh, very good answer, Dhanesh. Ma low. I said low. Nucleoid, how many are there? Nucleoid, how many are there? Pili is 1 to 4. Pili is 1 to 4 means 2 undachu, 3 undachu, 4 undachu kada. But nucleoid, there is no chances. Very good, Rakesh. Everyone, now you might have got the answer. That would be the nucleoid. This type of questions can be asked. So, pili and fimbriae, what is the second pointer? How many of them are there? Pili is 1 to 4. Fimbriae is 300 to the 400. Right on the next pointer. Next point is based on their function. Next point is based on their function. What is this function? Important one, conjugation. Conjugation and writing. Helpful in conjugation. And what is this function? Attachment. What is your function means? Write down attachment. Pili is helpful for conjugation. Fimbriae is helpful for attachment. Pili is helpful for conjugation. Fimbriae is helpful for attachment. That's it. These 3 points are enough for you people. I hope you people are clear regarding the pili and fimbriae. Pili inka fimbriae structures. There's a small mistake that I have done during the diagram, that you have to change the respective labeling parts. Respective labeling parts clear chesandi. That's it. We completed the pili and fimbriae. Now write on the next heading. Write on the next heading. Write on the next heading. Cytoplasm. Write down pointer, write down some basic points. Cytoplasm means you already know. Write down some basic points here. Semi-fluidy. 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 Characteristic. Semi-fluidy. Characteristic. Semi-fluidic characteristic containing cytoplasm is present. Characteristic containing cytoplasm is present. Cytoplasm is present. Very simple point. That is not necessary. I mean, anta important avasam ledu, because you already know what is meant by cytoplasm, etc., etc. But the second point is really important. What does the second point means? Membrane bound organelles are absent. This is important. This is really highly important. Second point is highly important. What is absent from the cytoplasm of a prokaryotic cell or the bacteria? That is membrane bound organelles are absent. Highly important. are absent. So give me some examples where the membrane bound organelles are absent in this. Where the membrane bound organelles absent in it, give me some examples. Very good Rakesh, very good Rakesh, very good Akshita. Danesh, very good. What are those membrane bound organelles? You already know some of them. One is called as the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria is a membrane bound organelle. And there is another one also, there is chloroplast. Chloroplast is also membrane bound organelle. As Akshita said, lysosome is a membrane bound organelle. Even the endoplasmic reticulum, even the Golgi complex, nucleotide, wrong answer. No. Golgi complex, very good, very good Sneha. Plastids, especially to say plastids. Nucleus. Okay, even though nucleus, Monica, even though nucleus is absent, membrane, it doesn't have the membrane, but this Pujita correct answer, ma. Pujita, okay, Pujita correct in a normal way, but not in an entire way. So write down all these examples, ma. Just quickly write down this all these examples. Membrane bound organelles are absent and rasi. ఏవేవి ఆప్షన్ ఉన్నాయని రాసుకుని పోండి ఏవేవి ఆప్షన్ ఉన్నాయని రాసుకుని పోండి mitochondria, chloroplast, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, and plastids. And the last is the etc. Many of them are there, which I'm not noting here. Mitochondria is absent, chloroplast is absent, lysosomes are absent, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, plastids, etc., etc. All these things are absent. Third point, write down quickly. Write down the third point. Write down the third point. Even though, even though all the membrane bound organelles are absent. Membrane bound or absent are absent. Even though all the membrane bound organelles are absent, the respective biochemical pathways, the respective biochemical pathways, the respective biochemical pathways takes place directly in the dash. Even though all the membrane based membrane bound organelles are absent, the respective biochemical pathways takes place directly in the dash. Okay, okay. Some of you are giving good answers. Rakesh, correct answer. Akshita, wrong answer. Prachi, correct answer. Danesh, correct answer. Akshita, correct answer. The answer is topic. Other topic. That is a Sadia wrong answer. Amma, why you are giving other answers? Cytoplasm. The answer is a cytoplasm. The answer is a cytoplasm. The answer is the answer is a cytoplasm. Let me give one good example. Let me help you to understand one example. For example, take the mitochondria. Mitochondria lo there you will come across some cells, some of them. For example, it is helpful in a mechanism called respiration. It helps in a procedure called as respiration. In a eukaryotic cell, that respiration is done with the help of a mitochondria. Is done with the help of a mitochondria, but in the prokaryotic cell, it is actually done in the cytoplasm. It is actually done in the cytoplasm with the help of one organelle called as mesosome. I hope it is clear now, Rakesh. Very good. Mitochondria nemo respiration అవుతుంది, that is present in the eukaryotic cell. But in the prokaryotic cell, as the mitochondria is off center, where does it takes place means answer is very simple, in the cytoplasm. Respiration takes place in the cytoplasm with the help of an organelle, small organelle called as a mesosome. Or else taken another example, chloroplast. What is the chloroplast is associated with the? It is associated with the photosynthesis. It is associated with the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis happens only inside the chloroplast, but in the prokaryotic cell, so this photosynthesis can take place inside the cytoplasm only. Photosynthesis ఏదైతే inside the in the cytoplasm only. I mean, there is not a particular organelle present inside in a prokaryotic cell. All these bio. So, what was the term associated respect to biochemical pathways? ఒక టర్మ్ ఇచ్చిండో బయోకెమికల్ పాత్వేస్, ఆల్ దిస్ బయోకెమికల్ పాత్వేస్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో దే డజంట్ టేక్స్ ప్లేస్ ఇన్ ఆల్ దిస్ ఇన్ దిస్ membrane bound organelles. Why doesn't takes place all this membrane bound organelles? Because they're actually off center. They're actually off center. Only one thing is there, that is a side. I mean, different organelles are also there, but all the biochemical pathways which are taking place in this respective organelles, they take place directly in the cytoplasm only. ఏవైతే రెస్పెక్టివ్ పాత్వేస్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో మెంబ్రేన్ బౌండ్ ఆర్గనల్స్లో కాకుండా ఈ సైటోప్లాజంలోనే నడుస్తాయి, దట్ టు ఇన్ ద ప్రోకారియోటిక్ సెల్. బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ సీయింగ్ ఇన్ ద యూకారియోటిక్ సెల్, ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ విల్ బి ప్రెసెంట్ అండ్ ఆల్ దిస్ బయోకెమికల్ పాత్వేస్ విల్ టేక్స్ ప్లేస్ ఇన్ ద రెస్పెక్టివ్ membrane bound organelles. That is a cytoplasm. And I don't want one great heading again, new heading. Amma, up to here are we clear? Up to here are we clear? We started the topic with the pili and fimbriae. I think we have started from the topic pili and fimbriae. Pili fimbriae అయిపోయిన తర్వాత then we entered into the cytoplasm. Very simple definition, normal one. B is important. Membrane bound organelles are option. You have to remember this one. Definitely ఈ పాయింట్ మీద క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. Questions can be asked on this particular point. C point, very simple. Membrane bound organelles are option. That's why all the biochemical pathways takes place directly in the cytoplasm. If you are clear up to here, reply me with a clear, or else if you are having any doubts, you can ask me. If you are clear, say clear. And if done, totally done means write down our next heading, mesosome. Mesosome. So what are your thoughts on mesosome? What are your thoughts on mesosome? Infolding of plasma membrane, respiratory organelles, inner folding of the plasma membrane, etc., etc. Write down definition. First of all, write down definition, then we will discuss it later. Write down definition. Simple definition రాసుకోండి. The inner folding. The inner folding of a. The inner folding of a. The inner folding of a plasma membrane. The inner folding of a plasma membrane. The inner folding of plasma membrane of a bacterial cell. Of a bacterial cell. Of a bacterial cell leads to the production of a. Leads to the production of a structure. Leads to the production of a structure. Leads to the production of a structure. Leads to the production of a structure which helps in various functions. 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 Very simple, ma. We already discussed it in your first year topic only. There is a cell wall. This is your plasma membrane. Plasma membrane will be having water. It will be having the inner foldings. It will be having the inner foldings. And this is the case A. This is your cell wall, and this is your plasma membrane inner foldings. సో కింద ఈ పిచ్చికి కూడా ఏంది అనుకోవచ్చు మీరు. That is actually this lower part is actually nucleoid. This is nucleoid, and this is case B. Why I am having two cases means whatever the mesosomes are there, there are two types of mesosomes. There are ఏవైతే mesosomes ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో two types of mesosomes are there. The first type of mesosome is called as a lateral mesosome. The second type is called as a septal. Is my voice is audible now? Net పోయినట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది. Is my voice is audible? If my voice is audible, reply me something. Okay. Okay, okay. Very good. Very good. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, man. Enough, man. Net పోయినట్టు అనిపించింది అయితే. Mesosomes, whatever the mesosomes are there, they are the infoldings of the plasma membranes, blah blah blah. We already know all the definition, what it is important, how it is, etc. etc. So whatever these mesosomes are there, there are two types of mesosomes are there. The first one is called as a lateral mesosome. The second one is called as a septal mesosome. Very simple. Not now, how you will define the both of them, lateral mesosome, septal mesosome, how you will one differentiation point, give me one differentiation point between the lateral and the septal by seeing the diagrams respectively. By seeing the diagrams respectively, give me one differentiation between the lateral. Very good, very good, Akshita. Okay, good observation. Good observation. As you're saying, see, Akshita is saying, sir, the diagram is okay. People are saying okay. You're saying okay, okay. Now okay, na. You're saying the size is different, etc., etc. Now the size is similar. Like for example, if I say this is a 10 kilometers and this is also 10 kilometers, now what would be the answer, ma? Same size, Mapudu. Right now it is same size. So your people are not observing the main point. Main point catch చేస్తలేరు. అమ్మా పూజిత రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ మా. Come with the correct answer, ma. Don't see the sizes. See, people are saying the sizes, etc., etc. The both of them are having the a range of 10 kilometers, 12 kilometers. Amma, some people are saying shape again. Wrong answer, ma. I can draw the same shape. Understand? Say this is in the India shape. This is also India shape. Diagram wrong దించిన కూడా. Very good, Danesh. Okay, clear. You are clear to that part. అమ్మ న్యూక్లియోటైడ్ కూడా సేమ్ దించుతామ్మా. న్యూక్లియోటైడ్, some people are saying sir the shape of the nucleoid is different. Rakesh, wrong answer, not arrange. Okay, that is correct answer only, but somewhat. People are missing the main point. People are missing the main point. అదే క్లాస్లో అయితే నిలబడి ఒక్కొక్కరిని కొడుతున్నాను. కొట్టా అనుకోండి. आप लोग मेन पॉइंट को मिस कर रही हो. People are missing the main point. How you people can not lateral, ma, not lateral, in a particular, not in that particular lateral, in a particular way it is correct, but not entirely, not entirely, not entirely. One point you are missing here, one basic point you are missing here, one basic point you are missing here. A basic point Akshita, wrong. Nucleotide, nucleotide. You should never use the term nucleotide. Akshita using a term called as nucleotide. Nucleotide. You should never use the term nucleotide. Is called as nucleoid. Nucleotide is a advanced term that is not necessary. You have to use a word called as nucleoid. No one can tell me the correct answer. In the septal mesosome, that mesosome is attached with the nucleoid. In the lateral mesosome, it is not attached with the nucleoid. That's a basic difference. మా అమ్మ సైజ్ మీద పోయినరు, ఆ వీటి మీద పోయినరు, అన్నిటి మీద పోయినరు. You went for everything, but the exact answer, okay, lateral. Sir, lateral mesosome is lateral to the nucleus. That is okay, okay-ish, but not the correct answer. You have to observe the main difference point. Septal mesosome, go and see the septal mesosome. Is the septal mesosome is attached with the nucleotide or not? ఇక్కడ కాంటాక్ట్ అనేది అవుతుంది. The nucleotide. Sorry, I'm repeating the Akshara's mistake. Nucleotide antunna. It's a nucleoid. It is making a contact with the nucleoid. But go and see in the case of in the making a contact with the nucleoid. But in the lateral mesosome, is there any contact between the this mesosome and this particular nucleoid? Lateral mesosome లో mesosome కి nucleoid కి కాంటాక్ట్ అనేది లేనే లేదు. There is no contact between the lateral mesosome and the nucleoid. But in the case of the septal mesosome, there is a contact is there. Contact undi. Even though they both of them are having the similar size, etc., same shape, same structure, etc. Here there is no contact. No contact. Here it is having the contact. Here they are having the contact. So what you will do means just take a new page and column split and column split and try to keep two columns. Two new columns. One is the lateral, one is the or the septal. I hope you people understand the basic logic there. Main basic logic ఏదైతుందో అది అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నా మీకు. One is what? One is called as lateral and the other one is called as septum or the septal mesosome. Write down first pointer in the lateral mesosome. What should be the first pointer in the lateral mesosome? What should be the first point in the lateral mesosome? రాయకుండి టైప్ చేయకండి, నేను రాస్తాను ఇక్కడ, రాసుకోండి బుక్స్లో రాసుకోండి. నాట్ కనెక్టెడ్ టు ది nucleoid. Very simple, not connected to the nucleoid. How you can clearly see the diagrams. Diagram lo there is no contact is there between the lateral mesosome and the nucleoid. But in the septal mesosome there is a contact is there. Write down that point only. Not connected to the nucleoid. So similar point opposite, connected to what? Connected to nucleoid. Connected to nucleoid. Second point, write down. It contains as we already discussed, respiratory enzymes. It contains respiratory enzymes. It contains respiratory enzymes. It contains respiratory enzymes which are helpful in as you already know, respiration, which are helpful in respiration. It contains respiratory enzymes which are helpful in respiration. Continuation, that point only. Continuation, quickly write down. As it resembles mitochondria. As it resembles spelling undi rashna. As it resembles, there's a e, resembles mitochondria. As it resembles mitochondria, lateral mesosome is called as a chondroid. It's called as a chondroid. is called as a chondroida. మైటోకాండ్రియాలో మైటో తీసేయండి. మైటో తీసేస్తే కాండ్రియా వస్తుంది. దాన్నే పేరు కలిపితే కాండ్రియాడ్ అని చేసి కట్ చేసి పెట్టేసిన వాళ్ళు. హూఎవర్ ద పీపుల్ అండర్స్టాండెడ్ దిస్ టాపిక్ దే మేడ్ ఇన్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ వే. మైటోకాండ్రియాలో మైటో తీసేస్తే రిమైనింగ్ టర్మ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దట్ ఈస్ దిస్ టర్మ్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ as lateral mesosomes are also called as what? Chondroida. We should not keep mito in front of it. If we are keeping mito in front of it, then it is totally wrong again, because we know that mitochondria is absent in what? Prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells lo mitochondria absent untadi kabatti you should not keep the mito. You just have to remove the mito. Remaining term edaithe undo chondroida. I mean, what do these people want to say is that the mesosome, especially the lateral mesosome, contain respiratory enzymes inside them and helpful in the respiration, and it resembles what? Resembles mitochondria. Resembles ante కనిపించడమే కానీ బట్ దే డజంట్ ఆపరేట్ ద సేమ్ వే. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ twins are there. One of them might be very intelligent, one of them might be very dull in nature. ట్విన్స్ అంటే కనబడుడు సేమ్ కనబడతారు, బట్ డజంట్ మీన్ దట్ బోత్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ ఆర్ ఎక్సెట్రా ఎక్సెట్రా. వన్ మైట్ బి వెరీ హైలీ టాలెంటెడ్, వన్ మైట్ బి వెరీ డల్ ఇన్ నేచర్. Similar to the same thing, chondroid and the mitochondria doing the same function, but we should not they are not having the same type of function. I mean, in a normal sense, both of them are doing the same function only. Either undo respiration, etc., etc. Both of them are doing the same thing. In advanced way to say, the chondroid, whatever the thing is, that chondroid is doing the respiration in a normal way. Normal ante mari basic ga behave chestundi. But when it comes to the mitochondria will do it in a very advanced way. For example, how should I explain? Means chondroid can produce only 2 ATP molecules, but mitochondria, you already know how many ATP molecules it can produce. It can produce around 36 ATP molecules. This might be sufficient for you to understand chondroid ki mitochondria ki difference in. I mean, both of them are doing the same function, that is ATP production only. But chondroid is producing how many? 2 ATPs, but mitochondria is producing 36 ATP molecules. This thing again will be come across our topic. First unit lo you will understand all these topics. First unit lo you will come across all these topics. So coming to the second point in septal mesosome, write down. Among some respiration might be okay. Akshita is asking me, sir, is it anaerobic, etc., etc. You already know in your 10th class that there are two types of respirations are there. One is called as aerobic and the other anaerobic. Aerobic means with the help of air. Anaerobic means with the without absence of air. Options of air low. ఏదైతే రెస్పిరేషన్ తీసుకుంటారో వితౌట్ O2, that is correct answer. Options of it. So whatever it might be, respiration will takes place. Whatever it might be, respiration will takes place. Aerobic respiration లో కూడా lateral mesosome will perform. Anaerobic respiration లో కూడా lateral mesosome will perform. But when it comes to the mitochondria will operate only in the aerobic condition. It will never operate in the anaerobic condition. Okay, what of these topics are not necessary again. నేను మళ్ళీ అడ్వాన్స్డ్కి వెళ్తున్న టాపిక్. All these topics will be covered in your first unit respectively. First unit లోకి ఎంటర్ అయిన తర్వాత నేర్చుకుందాం. Write down the second point in the septal mesosome quickly. They are helpful in the septal mesosome are helpful in the replication of nucleoida. Replication of nucleoida, and also in the formation of cell wall. Septum or septal mesosome, whatever it is, it is helpful in the replication of nucleoida. I'm also using the term nucleoida. It is helpful in the nucleoida replication law. It will be helpful, and in what way it is also helpful means It is also helpful in the formation of the cell wall. Formation of the cell wall during a cell division. During a cell division. That's it, mesosome. These two points are enough for you people. Remember mesosomes. What are the mesosomes means? Inward folding of the plasma membrane is called as mesosome. How many types are there means lateral and the septal. Remember the diagram. I hope you people have drawn the diagram that one. ఒక డయాగ్రామ్లోనేమో కేస్ ఏలోనేమో lateral mesosome mesosome is not having any contact with the nucleoida. In the septal or the septum mesosome, the mesosome is having contact with the nucleoida. Second point is its function. It contains respiratory enzymes, etc., and it is called as chondroid. This thing you have to remember, ma'am. Chondroid term అనేది గుర్తుంచుకోవాలా. Can be question can be asked in your need in chondroid. Chondroid. It is photosynthesis లో help అవుతుందా, digestion is helpful in the digestion or it is helpful in the respiration. Ekkada helpful avutadi ani the question can be asked. Chondroid is helpful in what? Actually it is helpful in the respiration. Coming to the septal, the septum lo you already seen the diagram, just go and see the diagram. The septal mesosome is connected with what? A nucleoid. Nucleoid toti contact undi and it is helpful in what? It is helpful in a replication of the nucleoid. DNA duplication కావడానికి septal is helpful. And it is also helpful in what? A cell wall formation. Cell wall form avvadaniki, that in the during the cell division. So let me tell you that this terms replication and the etc. Replication means we already know that is duplication. For example, go and see your cell cycle topic. Cell cycle topic గుర్తుండే ఉంటుంది మీకు. Cell cycle topic G1, S phase, G2 and M. I hope you people remember the cell cycle topic. G1 means gap 1. S means what here? మనకి ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఏంటంటే S phase important. S means what here? That is a synthesis. Synthesis phase is represented by the term called as S phase. What will happen here means if you are having a one copy of DNA, if the cell enters into the S phase, what will happen at the end of the S synthesis phase ఏమైతే double అవుతుంది. So you will be getting how many copies? 2 copy of DNA. If you are having 100 copies before S phase, at the end of the S phase, how many you are going to get? You will be going to get 200 copies. Very simple answer, 200 copies. That is the duplication etc. ఏవైతే స్టోరీస్ ఉన్నాయో, all this clubbed with a term called as replication. The term is called as a replication. This replication topic we are going to learn in your fourth unit topic, one of the complex topic that we are going to discuss there. Thus it we completed the mesosome topic also. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me. Diagram draw చేసుకొని try to draw the diagram. I hope you people have drawn the diagram also. Rough diagram దించండి. One is making contact and the other one is not making any contact. And these points, respective points are enough. What is the time now? Okay, 53 minutes are enough. 53 minutes are enough for you people. That's it for today, mom. That's it for today. I'm giving you like 2 minutes time. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me. We discussed 3 topics today. One is pili and fimbriae. Remember what the pili is made up of. Pili is made up of dento thyrendi, and some questions can be asked like what is the fimbriae is made up of. Fimbriae is made up of the pilin, flagellina, tubulina, and none of the above. What is the answer? D. None of the above. Flagella is not made up of anything. It is an inorganic structure. And then we discussed the cytoplasm నేర్చుకున్నాం. దాని తర్వాత mesosome గురించి నేర్చుకున్నాం. How many types of mesosomes are there, etc. We discussed all these things. Any doubts again? 1 minute completed. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, clear. Pujita, okay. Remaining topics by tomorrow, we might complete the remaining topics. What are the remaining topics are there? I will complete ribosome simple topic. Nucleide గురించి డిస్కస్ చేయాలి, ప్లాస్మిడ్స్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేయాలి, ఫ్లాజెల్లా గురించి డిస్కస్ చేయాలి. Remaining topics I will try to complete these components etc. And what is today? Monday kada. By Friday I will complete the bacteria topic. By Friday I will complete the bacteria topic. Next week virus topic start with etc. That's it, and videos recording again, it will be uploaded in the Telegram and it will also be uploaded in the YouTube. మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ etc. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడాలని ఉంటే just go and see. And one more last thing, I Sir, what about notes? Amma, Ade Amma, Saturday, I asked you people to send mail to me. Only two people, Amma, only two people sent me the mail. Zubair and Prachi, ma. Zubair and Prachi, only two people has mailed the images to me. Sir, so Rakesh, I didn't got any mail, ma. Mail em raledo. I didn't got any mail, ma. I didn't got any mail.